Okay, how are you doing? If you're busy or feeling tired or stressed, or if you're just ready to take a quick break, then you're in the right place. Because this 10 minutes is for you, just for you, with no pressure, with no expectations. Just a chance to stop, to reset and recharge as you take a well-deserved break from everything that's going on around you. So please get comfortable, and you can close your eyes if you like. Let's begin with a few deep breaths. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose if you can, and then breathe out through your mouth. Again, breathe in, fill your lungs, and breathe out slowly, letting everything go. Now take a few more nice deep breaths, just like that, in your own time, in your own rhythm. Each time breathing in deep, filling your lungs, and then breathing out long and slow. Take your time. Enjoy the feeling of just breathing in and breathing out. Good. Now you can just let your breath settle into a natural rhythm. There's no need to control it in any way. Let it flow naturally, as it wants to. Just let it be. Feel the air moving in. Feel the air moving out. Nice and simple. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, or the gentle movement of your belly. There's nothing to do. Just be still and notice your breath. Notice how it feels. And now, bring awareness to your body. Notice yourself. Notice how you're sitting or lying down. Feel the support beneath you. And now bring your attention to your feet. Notice your feet. You can wiggle your toes if you like, and maybe stretch them out. Then pass your attention into your legs. Simply notice your legs and any sensations you can feel there. And now you can let your attention pass up your body, nice and slow, noticing your belly, noticing your chest, and your shoulders. How do your shoulders feel? Are they holding any tension? If so, on your next exhale, maybe allow them to just soften a little bit more. And then bring your attention to your jaw. If it feels tight, you can wiggle it around a bit, or even let it just hang loose for a moment. It can be nice to take a deep breath in through your mouth and then let out a big, long yawn. Now pass your attention down through your shoulders into your arms and all the way down to your elbows, your wrists, into your hands. Maybe give your fingers a little stretch or a gentle wiggle. There's nothing to fix. There's nothing to change. Just notice yourself and allow everything to be just the way it is. For the next little while, we're just going to be here. There's no need to think, no need to do. Just sit with yourself. Notice your breathing. Notice the weight of your body resting here. And if thoughts pop up, that's okay, because that's what they do. Just notice that you're having thoughts and gently bring your focus back to this moment. To your breath, to your body resting here. You're allowed to pause. You're allowed to rest. And in this moment, everything is just the way it is. And in this moment, you are enough, just the way you are. And all is well. Now drop any attention on your body, on your breath, and for a little while longer, allow everything to be just the way it is. Good. And when you're ready, just gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently blink your eyes open. Start to bring your awareness back to the space around you. Take one last deep breath in and breathe out long and slow. Good. If you enjoyed this 10-minute meditation, try my 10 by 10 challenge. Join me for 10 minutes a day for the next 10 days using this playlist, and make taking a 10-minute break to relax and reset a part of your daily routine. I'm sending you peace. I'm sending you love. And I'm sending you happiness for the rest of your day.